Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is siarad, speak. Siarad, as in siarad Gymraeg, speak Welsh. Siarad, speak.